Hello friends, this is Damodar. You're watching Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. Let's get started today's tech news. First news on Realme Watch S. Realme Watch S is set a global debut on November 2nd. Key expected features such as a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, and comes with a 16 sport mode. Realme Watch S will have a circular dial and it comes with a 1.3-inch AMOLED screen. It expected to come with a multiple watch support and also multiple strap colors. Expected battery life would be 15 days. You can watch live event through Facebook account and also YouTube pages on November 2nd. Next news on OnePlus Nord N100. As per latest leaks, OnePlus is working to release new model OnePlus Nord N100 in Europe. Expected Euro price is 199. Roughly in Indian currency comes around 17k. Expected main key features are it comes with a 6.52-inch HD plus display and it comes with a triple rear camera setup and 8 MP selfie shooter. It runs on Snapdragon 460 processor. It comes with the 4 GB and 64 GB internal memory. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and it runs on Android 11 based out of Oxygen OS. However, there is no official confirmation from OnePlus team. We can expect launch date very soon. Next news on Xiaomi Mi 13. Recently, Xiaomi released MIUI 12 in India and globally. Almost all the devices got MIUI 12. Now, Xiaomi officially announced they are working and developing next version of MIUI 13. MIUI 13 beta available early in next year 2021. MIUI 13 runs on Android 11 and comes with multiple functionalities. MIUI 13 key features as you can see in the screen. New animations, new theme design, and improved gestures and functionalities. Improved better performance and power saving mode for long lasting battery. Improved user interface and enhanced touch sensitivity. Instant editing filters for photos and videos. Improved scrolling screenshot feature and native screenshot recording support. Enhanced and more featured always on display feature. Improved notification panel and also fast charging improvements. I really like MIUI 13 updates and features. Xiaomi is always looking to give more customized options to its users. Thanks to Xiaomi. Next news on Google Pay app for iOS users. For Apple iOS users, Google Pay for India app is no longer listed in Apple App Store. Google Pay iOS app had been pulled from Apple App Store to fix an issues. However, there is no impact on Android users. A small number of Apple iOS users facing payment failure issues. So if you have faced any payment failure issues, please connect with the Google team on your transaction issues. However, Google is working on it to fix issues at the earliest. Next news on children apps. Google removes three popular apps for children over privacy violations. The three apps are Princess Saloon, Number Coloring, and Cats and Cosplay. All three apps total of over 20 million downloads. Google has removed three children apps from Play Store after International Digital Accountability Council pointed out data collection violations. All these apps against Google Play policies. All these founded in a data collection. So finally, Google removed all three apps from Play Store app. Last news on Amazon Great Indian Festival Sales. I hope all are utilized the best deals during these festival sales through Amazon and Flipkart. Currently 10% instant discount available through Access, Citi and ICICI debit and credit cards via Amazon. If you have utilized any offers, I request you to please utilize best offers to buy a smartphone deals during these festival sales. If you have missed to buy good smartphones or now willing to buy a good smartphone, I have noticed the following deals are very interesting in Amazon. You can have a look and utilize the best to buy a good smartphone. I have noticed 5 devices Amazon is offering huge instant discount. Xiaomi Mi 10 you will get 8000 discount. OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro you will get 5000 instant discount. Samsung Galaxy M31 you will get 2500 instant discount, and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max you will get 3000 cash discount. Friends, Mi10 you will get after discount 36,999 rupees only. OnePlus 70 you will get after discount 32,999 rupees only. OnePlus 70 Pro you will get after discount 38,999 rupees only. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition you will get after discount 13,999 rupees only. And finally, Redmi 9 Note 9 Pro Max you will get after discount 12,999 rupees only. That's all for today news. Please subscribe, share, comment and hit a bell icon to receive all notifications. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video.